get to it. Let's see what comments people have left for us.
Okay guys, comment 1. What is the process of creating these videos?
ऐसा रहता है, देखो पहले वरुण सर के दिमाग में आइडिया आता है, फिर वो चाबुक उठाते हैं and he starts beating us till we actually finish the video. It's been really sad, guys. Tina is the one who handles the script. She's the one who comes up with the entirety of presentation script. Then all of us sit down and we come up with ideas of the humor part, the skit bit that you guys love. That's what all the team sits down for, and we come up with the best humor parts. After that is done, we go downstairs and shoot, which is what Martin is handling. He's the one who directs us. After the shooting is done, after the direction is done, we go up. We go to our office and we edit day in and day out. And after the editing is done, we post it, and then you guys get to enjoy the video. All of this takes us a week of non-stop pure hard work. It's a lot of hard work that we guys are doing, but you guys enjoy it, we enjoy it, and we absolutely love it.